Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to the networking series. So we're going to be looking at the socket module, but I made a quick step, and we need to step back for a second. So we need to talk about IPv4 and IPv6, Internet Protocols version 4, Internet Protocols version 6. So the examples that we're going to be doing are going to be for 4, and I can show you where to look for 6, but same concept, but we just need to address what in the world these are and what they do. So version 4 is 32-bit and 4.3 billion addresses, and it has this notation right here. Now the version 6 is 128 bits, and as you can see, many more addresses. So we have all these devices that we are having, handhelds. I'm sure like in your house you have multiple devices, and that is the reason, because everybody saw where these were going, because then we began to have to mask and have all kinds of issues. But now this is the hexadecimal setup that we have, and like I said, I wouldn't even begin to know what that term is. That is approaching what, a third of the way? No, actually not even close to 256. But very important, and the design is completely different. And if you set up for 6 takes precedent over 4, and 4 can be bumped out. So that is actually the one important thing you need to know and take away from. So like I said, we needed to talk about this today, and next video we will be looking at our socket bind method, and we'll be looking at the host and the port. So we'll be doing that next video. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.